2022 GMC Terrain. With less than 13,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.